So when you let DJ do a tree, this is what happens. He really didn't do the tree, I did the tree. I tried to make two work. I've been called back many times because I've not had enough lights on a tree. I've only been called back once or twice out of the 5-6 years that I've been doing this because there was too many lights on a tree. So when you think that, well, Jason, I only did that for 2 strands, put the 3rd strand on it, just make it look better. And that's what we're gonna do here today, is make this look better by putting another tree on. This is also a good example of not every tree's a great wrapping tree. This tree here don't have very good branches, so those are things that you have to think about when you're wrapping a tree. Okay. Don't hurt me.
All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse.
So you can see we got a nice sunset after here at this house. You can see how bright this house is when it lights up. I'll do some videos of it. But you can see how much better this looks by adding that next set of lights on here. We'll just make it look a lot better. So you can see how much better this tree looks by adding one more strand of light. I know a lot of times we don't always think about that, but that is definitely something to think about when you're installing lights on trees and bushes, especially that aren't very big. Maybe they don't look very good. A lot of times if you throw a lot of lights on it, will just make everything look a lot better.